Yes, this is Raleigh downtown, and here is a train station, and we're just starting to. We're here to somebody from the train station, and this is how this town looks like. And behind me is this town, and behind there are skyscrapers up there, and that's how it looks like. Yes, so I'm gonna change the camera. There we go again. Yeah, beautiful city. This is downtown train station. Looks nice. Now that building stands out. Looks good. That one too. Looks good. Yeah, this has really uplifted the face of Raleigh. It used to be like abandoned, neglected, but right now they did some very good job. This is where the train station is. Just like the underground parking or going to the street through. Yeah. So in here you can sit and chill. People are parking here waiting for their loved ones, or Uber taxi over there. Those people are leaving, and here some are being dropped, some are being picked up. Uber dropping, Uber picking. And these are the scooters we were talking about last time in the other video. They are here too, parked. And if you like, you can book one here and take it where you want, as long as you pay. Yeah, they are motorized. Looks simple, easy. Just put your card here, and there you go. You have to take a picture, scan the zip code, and then you go. Simple, easy. That's how they are. This is the way you swipe the card, and there you go. Easy peasy.
You didn't need to use it, did you?
No. Okay. I was just checking on it.
Oh, you can show her how we use it.
Okay. I know. Just I'm a YouTuber. I do the content.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool.
Yeah. So I've never used any, but I'm seeing people use them. Okay. You wanna show me how?
Yeah, we're gonna show you how.
ARUBY. ARUBBY.
Let me write it down.
Arubi. Subscribe for me.
Okay, we will.
Yes, here ARUBBY. Yes.
And it's YouTube, right?
Yeah, that's my channel called Arubi.
Oh, will be?
Yes, that's
Okay.
right.
I'm not logged in now, but when I get home, I'm gonna log in.
Oh,
It should save into your history.
It's gonna save.
You
Good.
said, okay, so these are one of my subscribers here. My name is
Hello.
Arubi, and here.
My name is Jay,
My name's Peyton.
Peyton. Jay and Peyton are here.
and we come here to book a trip to
Yeah.
Washington D.C. on Tuesday.
Yes. You
Yeah.
have a channel, a YouTube channel?
And not active.
Okay, not actually. Start one and
But we will
we'll
follow
support
you. We will follow you. I'll
Thank
support
you.
you too.
This is for the whole world. Yeah, we are here at the station, and they are just booking these scooters.
So you download the app. I'll show you
Yeah.
what the app looks like.
This is how
So
you do
the
it.
app is here. It's Lime. You open it,
Yeah.
And there's a
and then it
scooter
tells you
in
where all the scooters are.
Ah, it tells you the locations of the
All
scooter.
scooters.
Yeah, I'll edit. So these are the apps where the green ones are. Those are the stations, the places where you can
this-
find the scooters.
Yep.
So right now is telling us that there are 2 here.
So
So
we're
this is
gonna-
how he's gonna book it.
We're
Look,
gonna
simple.
scan
He scans it.
and a QR code.
Scans the QR code. Bang. He's in
Then
it.
until you start slow.
That's how it works.
Then it's gonna count your minutes, and you count your minutes,
Yeah. Counts the minutes.
and you can ride as a group. And this is no riding. Everywhere you see it says no,
No right. Okay.
no riding zone.
It tells you the areas where you can
There you
go.
can ride.
Okay.
So maybe like too close to the train tracks, you can't ride. Well, by the bus station,
yeah.
you can't ride.
Wow. Yes, so this technology has gone so far, and now look, we got scooters here. You just
So
just
we
snap.
will be home
Uh-huh.
where we live. We live by that. That's 4 minutes.
You- 4 minutes, you're
4
home.
minutes.
Wow, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Nice to see you. I will subscribe.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Subscribe and
All
follow.
right, have a good one.
Yes. There you go.
Have a good one. Have a good one.
Yes.
Make sure you subscribe to him.
Thank you. Okay, thank you so much.
And then you can watch us ride off if you want to.
Thank you.
Okay, you can see us ride.
Yes, there you go. Yes, they're leaving. You just boarded it. And there they go. Whew. They're experts, they know what they're doing. That's how it's being done here downtown. They're gone. Yeah, that's how it's being done in town here. So some technology have gone so far, and things are so nice in some areas. So as we go on and continue to record, I will show you more. I think inside I'm not allowed to record, but I'll find out. If it's not, we don't. If it is, we do. Okay, if they stop us, we stop. If they say yes, we go. Yeah, it's around 8 o'clock in Raleigh here, North Carolina. And the train we are waiting for is coming soon. Yes, so that's how this train station is. We have another green one here. It's ready for takeoff by anybody who wants to book it. So this is the observation deck. I think I'll take you up and show you up how it looks like. So we're gonna go this way, climb up here. Gonna see from the rooftop how it is. The stairs are a little bit steep, but I got good knees. We can walk up here. Yes, so this is the observation deck where you can stand here and observe how the train is coming your way. So wide space. Those are the train lines. Yeah, soft and easy evening. Those are the train lines. The ACs blowing air, making the area cool, because right now it's very hot. So we are waiting for train from that direction. Coming easy. Easy here. Easy in. And look at that's the stage where the train will stop and people will come out. Downtown Raleigh is a big town currently, and that's where we are right now. That's the train station. Yes. And looks like our train is coming. I can see some green lights at the end of the tunnel. That's the end of our tunnel. I'll keep updating you as our train advances. I'll show you more as we wait. So, go to the town. It's nice evening. Yeah. I wanted to show you this area at night, how it looks. That's a train station where people will alight and then go to different directions. So that's this area. Green roof. The green roof is made to accommodate the current changes global that are going on globally. So that's a train station from outside. People are waiting there to board their trains. That's inside. Yes. I'm taking the picture from outside. Yeah. See that's how it looks. Looks nice inside. These are the desks where they sell the tickets. This is ticket station. Looks good. Looks good. Yeah. It's a beautiful city at night. Yes. Night is a quiet night. And we're just chilling, relaxing, charging their phones. The phones have charging stations where you can charge the phone. And yeah, and go on. So I'll keep showing you a little bit of the city here. The train is late, kind of, but we'll wait and see what time it will be here. Yeah, looks like there's a problem somewhere there. The police presence there and fire machine is there. It's far away. I don't know what it is. We'll find out if it's something serious. We'll know from the news. Yeah, so this is part of the downtown. Looks good from the observation deck at the train station. That's the tunnel going through all the way into the streets. I'll give you a little bit about this area. That's the bus turning into the street at night. Yeah. So those are our skyscrapers here, and the structures around the train station. Uh-huh. Yeah, that area is dark. There's always a construction somewhere going on in the city here. They don't stop. So, other side of the city. Just wanted to show you a little bit. Yes, there's a building here which is very interesting. There's a glass on top. The roof there, up there, they shine, and they like kind of changing colors. Very nice. It's also another place. So this is the train station. Uh-huh. And you can see right here. Okay. Let's see if it is open. Yeah, it's open. I can get in. Yeah, so these are the train station. Looks nice. They're just waiting, doing their business. Can come over here and chill. You can chill on the table here if you want. Quiet. Chill here and relax and read your stuff. As you go up there, look good. Clean, nice, and good looking. Yeah, so that's how it looks. There's a train station. You come to Raleigh, come through that. You can go to the street, down the street, and off you go. Yep. On my way, on my way. Yeah, it's a very big structure. Nice and strongly built. Cameras are everywhere watching. Safety is number one here. It's properly protected. Yes, cameras all over watching, making sure that there's no problem. Yes, so I'm just sitting here for a second, relaxing, and showing you a little bit how organized these people are, how this area is so clean and nice, organized. Yeah, it's a small town, so kind of everybody is organized, not crumbling. And also it's a time of the night when not much is going on, so we cannot say that there's not so many people, but there are many people. Just could be many people using the train. It would be, I would say, not very many, but it's nice here. Yeah, so that's a little bit about this area where I'm chilling now and waiting for my guests to be picked up. This is just a good evening, nice and easy. Yeah. Okay. I'm showing you this train station. Okay, so still showing you more about this area.
Please be advised that a checked baggage is available for your train. It is recommended you take your bags to Amtrak's baggage department. Each passenger is allowed to check up to 2 pieces of luggage not to exceed 50 pounds each. Amtrak's carry-on/personal item baggage policy allows 1 personal item and 2 bags per passenger not to exceed 50 pounds each.
take you out and show you maybe a little bit about the arrival of the train, how they prepare for it, how people sitting in here. This station is called Amtrak station. Yeah, so when I go out and try to wait for the train, it's 9 o'clock. Around about 9 o'clock. It's 8:55. People are eagerly waiting for the train to come so that they can depart to their various directions. So the booths where people sit while waiting. And that's how it is here. Yeah, it's a nice long hall. Long one. Okay, that's enough. I'm gonna show you somewhere else again, and we see how the town looks like at night. There's an officer there making sure that everybody's safe here and nothing happens. So finally, the train is here. It has just arrived. Nice long train. Just arrived. People coming out and they are entering through that elevator in there. You can see. They're just entering there. Underground and coming out the other side, and they're loading and unloading and offloading. Yeah, that's the train station. I wanted to show you. When I was doing the videoing on the other side, I missed its arrival. Intended to catch it coming, but I missed that part. But I'm sorry about that. Next time I'll be in one place and continue recording so that I show you how exciting it was when the train was arriving after we had waited for long. There was a delay, so everybody waiting here was so happy, and you could see from the faces praising, oh finally the train is here. And people are rushing in to meet their loved ones. Yeah, so I'm gonna go down and show you more. People walking in. Here they are coming to the stage to be received by their loved ones. There you go. People are tired. They've waited for so long. The whole day. Coming out of this gate. Yeah. I'm tired. It's a long day for them. It's coming this way. Received. The place is so busy. So busy. We're out, exhausted, and tired, like they don't want to be here anymore. We just came out of the train station. Just like coming out of the plane, same thing, same security. It's only that we don't check the passports here. But we receive the same way. I'll continue to record and stop it. Select go. Still waiting for my passenger. Has not arrived, so still have to wait. Busy as it is.
Next right turn.
No turning red, but I can turn.
Take the second right turn.
You get in bed.
Confused, man. You man, I think you get their stress to work.
Be careful, because it can be one way, especially at night. And if you don't check properly, you can end up banging into the wrong traffic light. Oh, that was Savannah. So I can go securely. Those are people crossing with it.
What if I knew?
Yeah, taking me to the right way.
Downtown Raleigh, no go lights, okay, to stop signs. All waiting. So one can,
No traffic lights. Oh, he can go. Okay, go there. Oh, where I need to go? I left for him. Now he's misbehaving now. I let him go and now he's misbehaving. That's why sometimes you just don't let people go. You just
be careful.
You just keep going, yeah. If you're right, you go, you're right. Yeah, this is a one way, so you
Take the
can.
Yeah, okay,
second
yeah,
left
I'm
turn.
Usingiyo kendo koro.
Oh yeah.
Usi
Back to
adjust.
the system, yeah. The system is putting you into reality.
Oh.
6, 7, 6. Doubting Thomas. He didn't know where he's supposed to go. Yeah, but many people get lost in downtown here, especially at night.
Turn left on North McDowell Street.
Turn left here. Before it's red, there we go.
Continue to follow the road.
Now we are good.
Continue straight for 9 minutes to US.
Slow.
I'm swearing you guys, so easy with me. You're being sweared. So that's downtown Raleigh at night. Now we are out of that maze.
Continue straight for 8 minutes to US 401 North Port Roosevelt, Lewisburg.
So that was a quick drive from the railway. We picked up the guest and we hit the road, and this was trying to show you a little bit about the city. It was a quiet evening, a Friday evening, and the roads were not very busy at this point. So we just drove slowly back home, showing the guests our roads here and also our way home. We kept driving. There was no problem, so we just went easy, and until we reached home. So this was just a quick show of our area. The railway station in downtown Raleigh and its surrounding, and then we left the city and we just went all the way home. We didn't pass anywhere at that time. It was already late. Yes, so please just subscribe for me, like, and also share so that you can promote me to continue building this channel for you and also for me and everybody else who is watching. Yes, for those who know this area, just showing those who don't know it so that they can know our small city Raleigh looks like at the railway station. Yeah, they've really done a good job in improving the railway. It was initially it was so abandoned. It was like very old, and the system wasn't up to date. But right now they made it very modern, and as I showed you, where even people are waiting for the trains. And also you can't access the train boarding area. Initially it was just an open place where you could go and stand there on the aisle and bid somebody buy and stay there and wait until the train is gone. You could take pictures there. But because of the security and the current situation, things have changed a lot, that you can't go in the boarding area. Yeah, it's more restricted because of the global problems that are surrounding the human being at the moment. Like, beyond that, beyond the booking area, after booking, when you're going inside, you have checked, your suitcases are also scanned, and they make sure that nobody's carrying any weapon that can hurt somebody. And also people are just being checked for anything that would be illegal to carry in the train. They check for illegal stuff. They check for, everything illegal is not allowed in there. And that's why we have to just look from far away. Yeah, we could go and wait for somebody at the right on the aisle, and when you come, you get out of the train and we carry your suitcase right from there and we walk you to the car. Those ones are long good days. Gone are the long good days that the world was open and people could enjoy the rides, So right now everything is controlled from a distance. Anyway, that was our town, and we're heading home. This area looks a little bit congested again. The traffic is picking up. People are rushing home. This street is called Capitol Boulevard, a very dangerous street. Trying to cross it at night would be very dangerous. Please subscribe and like and watch another video. Thank you.